Good afternoon, everyone. Nick with First Class Home Inspections out here in Phoenix doing an inspection, performing a pool inspection at this home at the same time, so some safety issues I want to go over.
So we're checking the pool system here. I know it's kind of hard to hear with the humming pump, but you can see here the conduit's loose right here. So let's take that. This whole stand is loose. So we got a really bad safety issue there. The pump's falling apart right here. The conduit's all broken right here, rusted out. We don't have proper bonding. And I got a couple other things else I'm going to show you. Hold on a second. So also here we got the pull timers. There's no cover here, so if I reach in there wrong, I'm going to get shocked. And especially if you have wet hands, that's not going to be a good idea, so that needs to be repaired. Approaching the pool gate, the latch is on the outside, so any small child can get it from the outside. And then open the pool. Doesn't have the self-closing spring right now. I got some wind, so it's blowing the door gate closed for me. But we have direct access to the pool, so the neighborhood could just come right into the pool. So that's obviously a safety hazard we're going to address here.
So those are just a couple of items we check for when we're doing a pool inspection. Make sure you don't skip your home inspection. Call First Class Home Inspections 623-680-0707. Thank you and have a good day.